taking your first aid practicals. Okay, I will take your first aid practicals on dressing and bandaging. Okay, some of you can turn on your videos. At least one, two of you can turn on your videos. Okay, so for dressing and bandaging, in our last class, till where did we discuss? Dressing and bandaging, till where did we discuss in the last class? Wow.
The foot 6 points. For the foot 6 points we have written.
For the কি বলে নতিস্মিতা? Nawaz is present.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Bandaging with the triangular bandages. Last topic था.
अच्छा, read out करा सुन. Read out the last class.
Ma'am, actually দিয়া নাছিলে এইটো heading দিছিলে তাৰ পিছত এইটো দিছিলে. Last topic.
Last topic to কি হয় এবাৰ read out কৰা.
Last topic to ma'am আছিলে uses of triangular bandage.
Uses of triangular bandage. আচ্ছা.
Yes, ma'am.
Read করা.
Ma'am, number 1 point, as a whole cloth, spread it out fully. Number 2, as a broad bandages, bring the point to the center of the base and then fold again to the same direction. Number 3 point, as a narrow bandage, fold broad bandage once again. Number 4, when a smaller size bandage is needed. Bandages needed, fold the original so as to bring the ends together. The size is now reduced by half of the original.
আচ্ছা. তাৰপিছত bandaging with the triangular bandage এইটো হৈছে নে নাই?
এইটো মেম হোৱাটসএপত দিছিলে এইটো নহল তাৰ মানে
for the scalp, for the forehead,
yes ma'am, yes,
for the shoulder, তাৰপিছত এইখিনি দিছিলো ন, for the hand,
হা
লিখিছানে? for the foot to last আছিলে চাগে
মেম এইখিনি লিখা নাই কিন্তু হোৱাটসএপত দিছিলে বেলেগ কপিত লিখিছো
লিখি লোৱা ন, কপিত লিখি লোৱা.
okay ma'am.
Okay, next write down roller bandage. See, in types of bandages you have written there are two types of bandages. First তুমি লিখিছা triangular bandage. Triangular bandage আমাৰ complete হৈছে. Number 2 you have written roller bandage. Okay, so now number 2 লিখা roller bandage. Number 2 likha roller bandage. Roller bandage. Talot you write down. Roller bandages are made of. Roller bandages are made of. Roller bandages are made of cotton. COTTON cotton. Roller bandages are made of cotton. Roller bandages are made of cotton, comma, gauze, 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 or,
hello ma'am,
or, yes, say,
made of cotton, tar piche ki koise huna nai,
cotton, comma, gauze, 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 or, linen, 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 and are usually supplied in and are usually supplied in SUPPLIED and are usually supplied in 5 meters roll. 5 meter, ঠিক আছে 5 meter roll. 5 meters roll, ROLL. Full stop. Paragraph change kora. Change the paragraph and write down. They are available in different sizes. They are available in different sizes. They are available in different sizes. SIZES. They are available in different sizes. Mane small size who say medium size, large size. Okay. So there are different sizes for roller bandage. Change the paragraph. Aro ekbar. Change the paragraph and write average size of average size SIZE average size of roller bandage. Average size of roller bandage. Please turn off your mute yourself. Average size of roller bandage for use on adult casualties. For use on USCUs. For use on adult ADULT. For use on adult casualties. CASUALTIES. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself.
For use on
Average sizes of roller bandage for use on adult casualties. Adult ADULT. Adult casualties. CASUALTIES. Adult casualties. Etia duta column. Make 2 columns. Make 2 columns and write down. In the first column you write part to be bandaged. Part, PART. Part to be bandaged. BANDAGED. Part to be bandaged. You write down in 1 column. And in the second column you write with. WIDTH. WIDTH. With. WIDTH. With. Below you write number 1. Finger, comma, toes. Below part to be bandaged, write down number 1. Finger, comma, toes. Finger, FINGER. Finger, comma, toes. TOES. Finger, comma, toes. You have written with, right? WIDTH in the right hand side. There you write 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. In bracket you write 1 inch. Bracket you write down 1 inch. Number 2. Hand, comma, head. Hand, comma, head. Hand, HAND. Hand, comma, head. HEAD. Hand, comma, head. Hand, comma, head. Hand, comma, head. On the other side you write 5 centimeter. On the other side you write down 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter or bracket or likha 2 inch. In bracket you write down 2 inch. INCH. In bracket you write 2 inch.
Again, ma'am.
Huh?
Again. Hunani.
Ki?
And had 1 there.
Hand, comma, head. Likhisa no? Tar pisot duta column banaisa na on the other right hand side. Okay, you write down 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, 2 inch likha bracket on. 2 inch. Number 3, arm. ARM, arm. Number 3 likha arm, ARM, arm. On the other side you write 5 or 6 centimeter. 5 or 6 centimeter. 5 or 6 centimeter. 5 or 6 centimeter. Bracket or likha 2 or 2 inch. 2 or 2 inch. Next you write leg, leg. Number 4 you write down leg, leg, leg. On the other side you write 7.5 or 9 centimeter. 7.5 or 9 centimeter. 7.5 or 9 centimeter. 7.5 or 9 centimeter. In bracket you write 3 or 3 inch. 3 or 3 inch. Next you write down trunk, T-R-U-N-K. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Likha 10 or 15 centimeter. 10 or 15 centimeter. 10 or 15 centimeter, 1-5. 10 or 15 centimeter, bracket or likha 4 or 6 inch. 4 or 6 inch, I-N-C-H. 4 or 6 inch, I-N-C-H. Episode. Okay, it's done. Next you write general rules for application of roller bandage. General rules for application of roller bandage. Underline kora, underline it. General rules for application of roller bandage, underline it. Then you write number 1, face the patient. Number 1 likha, face the patient. Face the patient. Number 2 likha, when bandaging,
Ma'am, place or face?
Huh?
Point number 1, can you repeat again, please?
Face the patient, face, F-A-C-E, face the patient means when you will be bandaging, that time you will have to face the patient. Okay. You should be face to face. It means to say that face the patient.
Okay.
Number 2, you write when bandaging, left limb, left L-E-F-T, left limb, L-I-M-B. When bandaging left limb, L-I-M-B, limb. Hold the head of the bandage. Hold the head of the bandage in the right hand. In the right hand, R-I-G-H-T. In the right hand. That means when you will bandage the left, okay, the left limb of the patient, that means you will have to hold the head, mane bandage or the topmost portion of the bandage, you will have to hold it with your hand, okay, in the head portion, the topmost portion of the bandage, you will have to hold it from your right hand. From your right hand you will hold, and but the patient, like if the patient is injured in the left side, then you should start from the right side. Means your hand should be on the right side. And if the patient is injured in the right side, jodi right side hoy tenehole you will have to hold the head of the bandage in your left hand. Okay, is the opposite. Right hand and vice versa. And vice versa. V-I-C-E, vice versa. V-E-R-S-A, vice versa means Jodi, if when bandaging left limb, hold the head of the bandage in the right hand, you have written that. So vice versa means when bandaging, if the right limb. Okay, if right limb, then you will have to hold the head of the bandage in your left hand. Okay, vice versa means the opposite of what you have written. Number 3, you write, make it a rule, make it a rule, R-U-L-E, make it a rule to apply bandage, make it a rule to apply bandage from the inner side, I-N-N-E-R, inner side, S-I-D-E, from the inner side to the outer side. Inner side to the outer side, O-U-T-E-R, outer side, S-I-D. Make it a rule to apply bandage from the inner side to the outer side. That means whenever you apply any kind of bandage, especially roller bandage, okay, you will have to always start from the inner portion. Okay, then you will have to go to the outer portion, not from outer to inner. Okay, you will have to start from Bitor, from inner to outside. Okay, number 4, you write, bandage from below, bandage from bandage from below upwards, bandage from below upwards, UPWARDS, below upwards, over the limb, LIMB, bandage from below upwards over the limb. Number point likha, it should be neither too loose nor too tight. It should be neither too loose nor too tight. Basically loose hole, what will happen? It will come out. Okay, it won't support the limb. Aur jodi basic tight hole, what will happen? It will affect your blood circulation. ঠিক আছে? So the bandaging should be neither too tight nor too loose. Basic tight ho hoba na lage aru basic loose ho hoba na lage. Okay, it should be in the appropriate way of bandaging. It should be neither too loose nor too tight. T-I-G-H-T, tight. Number 6, you write, roll bandage so that, roll bandage, R-O-L-L, roll bandage so that, roll bandage so that, R-O-L-L, roll bandage so that, roll bandage so that each layer covers, so that each layer, E-S-C-H, each, so that each layer, L-A-Y-E-R, so that each layer covers, C-O-V-E-R-S, so that each layer covers two-thirds of the earlier layer, E-A-R-L-I-E-R, of the earlier layer. Number 7 point likha, fix the bandage by, fix, F-I-X, fix the bandage by, pinning it up, pinning, P-I-N-N-I-N-G, pinning it up. Pinning means how will you pin? You can pin it with a safety pin. Okay, fix the bandage by pinning it up or using adhesive plaster, plaster, P-L-A-S-T-E-R, plaster. Okay, if you don't have safety pins, then also you can use plasters. Okay, adhesive plasters, full stop. Then you write, application of roller bandage. Write down application of lower bandage, underline it. Application of roller bandage, underline it. Application of roller bandage, underline it. And write down number 1, simple spiral. Simple spiral. S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple spiral. Simple spiral.
Spiral spelling, ma'am.
Excuse me. What?
Spelling, ma'am.
Simple, simple. S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple spiral. S-P-I-R-A-L. I will show you the pictures, Roba. Simple spiral. Right now, simple spiral bandages. You write. This is used on fingers. This is used on fingers. Or other or other uniform surface UNIFORM, uniform surface or other uniform surface, full stop. The bandage is first carried round the spiral. The bandage is first carried round in spirals. The bandage is first carried round in spiral. That means in spiral, simple spiral, what happens? This is usually done in the fingers or in your hands, okay, or in your arms, and or in your wrist, okay, where you put your watch, wrist watch. So in your wrist or fingers, okay, in all these places, you use the simple spiral bandage. Okay, arrow itu bandage to you will have to do it in a spiral form, mane round in a circular way. I'll show you the picture, Roba. Are you able to see the screen
No, ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the simple spiral bandage. Okay, very simple. Just in a round way, you have to do it in a spiral way. Okay, and for fingers is this one. Okay, in this way you will have to do the bandaging. Okay, and then pinning it up. Yate to mane pin ase. Okay, in this bandage there is pin, so here only you can pin it. Jodi pin nai, okay, then you can use safety pins or else adhesive plaster. Okay, so this is simple spiral bandage. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the roller bandage. Are you able to see?
Yes.
White in color. Okay, white in color. Okay, this is your this
Roller
is your
bandage.
roller bandage. Okay, it is made of cotton. Nohole this is gauze. Okay, before also I have showed you gauze. So this is gauze. Sometimes ketiaba it is made of cotton. Kintu this is made from completely gauze. ठीक है? Or linen cloth. So this is a roller bandage, round in shape. So number 2, the reverse spiral. Number 2, you write down the reverse spiral. The reverse spiral, reverse. The reverse spiral. At a dash, put a dash and write down. This is a modified spiral. This is a modified spiral, modified, M-O-D-I-F-I-E-D. This is a modified spiral in which the roll is reversed. In which the roll, R-O-L-L, in which the roll is reversed, R-E-V-E-R-S-E-D, in which the roll is reversed. Downwards on itself, downwards on itself, downwards on itself at each round. at each round. At each round, R-O-U-N-D, round, full stop. It must be used. It must be used. It must be used. It must be used where the thickness of the part, where, W-H-E-R-E, where the thickness, T-H-I-C-K-N-E-S-S, where the thickness of the part, P-A-R-T, part, varies, V-A-R-I-E-S, varies, where the thickness of the part varies, like the leg or forearm, like the leg or forearm, like the leg, L-E-G, like the leg or forearm, F-O-R-E, forearm, A-R-M, arm. So I will show you the picture of reverse spiral. Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is the reverse spiral. Okay, এটা side or in a spiral way এনেকা round কৰিব তাৰ পিছত after that, okay, 3 times you will have to do in a spiral way, round তাৰ পিছত you will have to do it spirally, zigzag নিচিনা. Okay, so this is a reverse spiral. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
next number 3 you write down. Number 3, figure of 8. Figure of 8. 8 you write in a figure. In a figure you write 8. 8 you write 8. Figure of 8. Then you write in this the bandage is applied. In this the bandage is applied, A-P-P-L-I-E-D. In this the bandage is applied in this the bandage is applied obliquely, O-B-L-I-Q-U-E-L-Y, obliquely, O-B-L-I-Q-U-E-L-Y, obliquely, 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 alternatively up and down, alternatively up and down, alternatively up and down, alternatively up and down, comma, so that the loops appear, so that the loops, L-O-O-P-S, so that the loops appear, A-P-P-E-R-P, appear like the figure of 8, like the figure of 8, like the figure of 8, full stop. It is used for joints, it is used for joints like the elbow, like the elbow, E-L-B-O-W, like the elbow, like the elbow, comma, knee, etc. Like the elbow, comma, knee, etc. Okay, I will share with you one screen. It's a video. I don't know it will play or not. Ahisane, are you able to see?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just see the video. This is the figure of 8. Okay, you just see the video.
Yes.
All ne? Have you seen the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so that is your figure of 8. Okay, I'm not able to show you practically now. That's why I'm showing you in a video. Okay, and even you all also can see it in your YouTubes also. Okay, if you want to check it out, you can see there. Okay, tar pisot you write down the last point, number 4 likha. The speaker. The speaker, S-P-I-C-A. The speaker, S-P-I-C-A. The speaker. Write down. This is a modified figure of 8. This is a modified. This is a modified figure of 8. This is a modified figure of 8. This is a modified figure of 8 and is useful for bandaging. And is useful for bandaging the hip. And is useful for bandaging the hip, H-I-P, hip. For bandaging the hip, H-I-P, hip, comma, shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder, and thumb, thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. And
Hello,
thumb,
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
T-H-U-M-B, thumb.
Ma'am, a point of प्रथम পৰা ক'বচোন.
Okay, number 4, the speaker. This is a modified figure of 8. Okay, this is a modified, M-O-D-I-F-I-E-D. This is a modified figure of 8, comma, and is useful for bandaging. And is useful for bandaging the hip, H-I-P, hip. Hip mane which one is your hip? Hip mane? Okay, you check it out. Okay, bandaging the hip, comma, shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder, and thumb, T-H-U-M-B. Okay, got it, Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am.
I will show you one, Harry. Are you able to see the screen? Roba, wait. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this is a speaker. Okay, and it is a modified form of figure of 8. Okay, this is your hip. Okay, here is your groin. Okay, this part is your groin. Then your shoulders is not here upside, and then your thumb. Okay, so everything I won't show you, but it is speaker bandage over a hip. Hipot korile, in a hip, this is the way of doing a bandage. Okay, and after that, see, the person is pinning it up with a safety pin. Okay, if you don't have safety pin, you can use adhesive plasters also. Okay, so this is known as pica. Okay, and it is a modified form of figure of 8. So this is all about your dressing and bandaging. Okay, your dressing and bandaging is complete. So so in the next class we will talk about something else. Okay, and section A, I think we have not completed first aid kit box. So for section A, I will take it. I will take your class in my next class. Okay, first aid kit box. Okay, okay then. Thank you. You please join the class again at 3. Okay, for PSM theory.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ঠিক আছে, thank you. You can leave the meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.